Thank you for your interest in my active listing. Welcome to the exclusive Bay Colony area, conveniently located less than 2 miles from the beach. Come home to a quality contemporary renovation that will appeal to all. Bottom floor, no stairs. This is lowest renovated unit on the market in the complex. This unit has been completely transformed from top to bottom. Impact windows, new quartz countertops and stainless steel appliances, newer air conditioner, new stylish bathrooms and modern barn door plus new tile throughout. Ample closet space. Amenities include guard gate, 4 swimming pools, 3 clubhouses, 6 tennis courts, 2 fitness centers, 24 HS security and a pavilion along the Intracoastal. Boat dockage available for $1.5 a linear foot on a first-come basis. Close to shopping, restaurants, entertainment. You will love this spot.